Welcome to the Vintage Coach Prairie Bag tour. The style number for this particular bag is 9954 and it was made in the US in 1995. And what's so exciting about this particular prairie bag is that it's in this rare jade color. As you can see, it's this gorgeous teal or turquoise, I guess more teal type of color. It almost doesn't even the video almost doesn't even do the color justice. It's even more beautiful in person. I'm going to give you a quick 360 view of the bag now. This particular bag is probably one of my most exciting finds. It looks like it was barely ever worn as well. It's got a nice slip pocket here. Could definitely fit your phone in there. And it comes with the hang tag. So it's really beautiful. This is the first jade bag that I've ever come across personally that I've had. It looks a little bit darker there than it is in person. It's hard to capture the accuracy of the color, but it's a really beautiful bag. I'll go ahead and show you the inside now. So it's got this pocket here, this compartment here, and then this is the inside. As you can see, it's very clean inside, and it's got this deep zip pocket here, and then the creed is back there. As always, it's hard to get it on video, but you can definitely see the creed in the bag listing, which I'll link below if that's something that you want to check out. But it's in really nice shape. I was really lucky to be able to find this bag, but anyway, that's the up-close view of the bag, and then I'll go ahead and show it to you on my mannequin so you can see what it looks like as a crossbody bag. So here's what it looks like as a crossbody bag. It's showing up a little bit darker than it actually is in real life, but it's hard to get the exact color correct on video for some reason. But anyway, you get the idea. This is what it looks like, about where it would hit, around the hip area most likely, and it does have an adjustable strap right here, so you could adjust this as necessary if you want to make it a little bit longer or even a little bit shorter. But that's about where it would hit, and I suppose you could wear it just as a regular shoulder bag too if you like. It would just hit lower. I think it's probably more comfortable as a crossbody bag though, just across the shoulder like so. But anyway, if you want to see more of this bag, I will definitely link the Etsy listing below. But it's a really beautiful bag, and I'm excited to share it with you guys.